Kini mga gupuhon basta-basta mo ba isa. Relax ba? Relax ginagmay.
Boy,
Asa man taong kaoy na unsa?
kung tatambalhin na namang baka ba yan, kita hindi ka gari, pasinguan ka man.
Ay sus, di minanim mga beauty sa mga gupuhon ba?
Anak na di ay.
Nya,
Lahat ka din sa bundo-bundo yung tao,
o di gibaw ka na.
Nagtugaw ka sa natuwa.
Kabantay ka na mga artistahon ug panagway. Mga sitting pretty ba? Oh, babae sitting pretty din.
Eh sa buhay, kaya kung tambalhin na lang akong baka, kaya nangan nakuhan ba niya. Ay, pauli na nga to kay, pasarap ako ng maawanan, mabuang. Na, yun sila.
Uy, simbakoy.
Uy, day! Hey, stop! English. Speed ko ani. Day! Ay, baso! Day! Asa ka maingon ba? Ah, nasaag siguro ng bayhana. Ang utok mo nasaag ani. Hey! Oh, dah. Tino ko gi. Tay,
I'm looking for something and I think I'm lost.
You looking for something?
Yeah.
Something ang gitanaw. Something. Hoy, na ay, bawo ko ana, Nagka-graduation man ko. Nakagipangita.
Yes, that's it. I'm looking for someone named Jason Castillo. Yes, Jason Castillo.
I don't know who's that name. Only I know is Castillo, yung asawa ni ano, Judean.
He's an owner.
Owner of
Lodging house.
Lodging
Yes,
house.
that's it.
ay ganito ko kung honor sa kanang mga student ba kanang mo graduate.
Lodging house or
Lodging house. Oh my God.
house. Rent.
You have sex phone? You need lodging house?
No, what are you talking about?
I don't know what you're saying. Just call my friend. I have a friend who can translate that English in I don't know what that English.
Whose friend then?
Nako, kapuyag ani mag-English eh. Pay wata ka graduation of college. I have a friend ba named Boy Palpak. She can answer your call. Just call her. Him?
Yes.
I will tell you where he is. You go there. I don't know how to continue this English. Let's go. Boy, I need your help, boy.
What kind of help ba?
Help me to reach out this girl. I don't know what she's saying.
Sir, I am looking for something and I am looking for rent.
English?
English rent maybe but this is not red. This is green.
Ay, oh.
This is green. Whole green.
Red.
This is rent.
No. I didn't say rent. I said rent. Lodging house.
Ginagawa mo.
Lodging house?
Yes. Have you seen Jason Castillo?
Jason Castillo.
He's
Jason
an owner
Castillo.
of that lodging house.
I don't know why.
No.
I don't know also, oy.
Oh.
Only I know is Cuchillo, not Castillo.
Oh,
What's Castillo?
Cuchillo yung anak-anak ba? Dunggab-dunggab yun.
Never mind. I have.
wait. Why are you guhom?
I don't even understand you. No.
No,
I
we
don't
need to go to
know.
barangay. We need to settle this. For your English.
Huh? Barangay?
Oh, yes.
Barangay. What's barangay? Barangay hall. I know that. Okay, thank you.
Jason ba? Dito na po yung.
Hey, just wait one minute. Oy, kaping mainit.
Stay you two away from me because I'm running out
I
of
know.
time.
No, don't running, just walking. Masingot ka, masingot.
No, what I mean is,
No,
Kanang,
no,
I
no,
have
no.
no time. I have to go.
No, we
Wait.
all know him. We already know.
Really?
Yes.
Where?
Just over there. You go there in the counter.
Ha.
What did you say?
The counter. Ay, Jose. Jose is. Yes, I know.
Ito silingan na to ba? Si Jose.
Jose is already patay.
Oh,
Dead.
dito na rival.
You two are wasting my time.
No, I gotta kill you both.
No.